This is what happens when you spend $750,000 to make a Mercedes-Benz absolutely terrify million-dollar hypercars. Forget everything you know about factory AMG models. AMG is great for your local neurosurgeon, but Brabus is what billionaires buy when they think a standard AMG is way too slow, way too quiet, and frankly, way too cheap. We're talking about street-legal monsters with enough torque to literally rip up the asphalt, wrapped in pure bespoke luxury. Today, we are counting down the top 7 craziest, most over-engineered, and mind-numbingly expensive Brabus builds ever created. Let's dive under the hood of automotive insanity. Number 1. The Brabus 800 Adventure XLP. Take a standard Mercedes G-Wagon, cut the roof off the back, stretch the wheelbase by 20 inches, and turn it into a portal-axle megatruck. This daily driver pumps out 800 horsepower from a heavily modified twin-turbo V8. It has a built-in takeoff pad for a drone in the truck bed, 19 inches of ground clearance, and a price tag pushing $600,000. It's the ultimate flex for the apocalypse. Number 2. The Brabus Rocket 900 1 of 10. Based on the Mercedes-AMG GT63S, Brabus bored out the engine to 4.5 liters. They slapped on massive custom turbochargers to create a stealth missile that drops 900 horsepower and an electronically limited 774 pound-feet of torque. Why limited? Because otherwise, it would literally shred its own transmission. 0 to 60 happens in 2.8 seconds in a 4-door sedan. Let that sink in. Number 3. The Brabus 900 Super Black. This is the ultimate expression of the GLS class. Every single piece of chrome has been deleted. It features a completely blacked-out exterior, a masterfully stitched leather interior, and enough road presence to make FBI fleets look soft. It's a 900 horsepower living room on wheels that can hit 205 miles per hour. Number 4. The Brabus 920R, based on the AMG A45S. Brabus took a hot hatch and tuned it to a ridiculous 450 horsepower. It's a pocket rocket designed to embarrass Porsches on tight track days, proving Brabus doesn't just build massive land yachts. But hold on, flexing a Brabus spec in Miami or LA isn't all sunshine. A replacement set of those 24-inch wheels can cost you over $20,000. Plus, maintenance is a nightmare, since parts have to ship straight from Germany. Yet, for American billionaires who want to stand out from a basic G-Wagon, it's worth every penny. Now back to our top 3. Number 5. The Brabus 900 Crawler. Look at this thing. It looks like a G-Wagon mated with a dune buggy. There are literally no doors. There are no windows. It features a full high-strength steel tube frame, open carbon fiber bodywork, and racing bucket seats. Under the hood is that same flagship 900 horsepower twin-turbo V8. It is completely illegal for the street, strictly meant for desert dune bashing, and only 15 were ever made. Price tag? A cool $800,000. Number 6. The Brabus 700 6x6. When Mercedes built the already insane AMG G63 6x6, Brabus looked at it and said, not big enough, not powerful enough. They upgraded the turbos, added gold heat reflection shielding to the air intake pipes, and bumped the power to 700 horses to push this 4-ton steel mountain. It features 6 driven wheels, 5 differential locks, and can literally drive over an entire Honda Civic without the driver even feeling a bump. It is an absolute beast. Number 7. The Brabus Rocket 1000. Based on the hybrid Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door E-Performance, Brabus went absolutely berserk by combining their heavily tuned V8 internal combustion engine with a high-performance electric motor. They unlocked a mind-boggling 1,000 horsepower and a staggering 1,342 pound-feet of torque. It launches from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a ridiculous 2.6 seconds. It is the most powerful supercar ever released in Brabus history, and it looks like it was designed by Darth Vader himself. So, is a Brabus actually worth the monumental price tag? Look, if you are looking at this from a logical perspective, absolutely not. A factory AMG gives you 90% of the performance for a fraction of the cost, but nobody buys a Brabus out of logic. You buy a Brabus because you want the absolute ultimate expression of automotive power, exclusivity, and luxury. You buy it because you want everyone on the street to know exactly who you are before they even see the car. Now, I want to hear from you guys. If you had $500,000 burning a hole in your pocket right now, would you drop it on a fully spec'd out Brabus G800, or would you take that money straight to a Lamborghini dealership for a brand new Urus? Let me know down in the comments below.